In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code on the Temu app in 2025. Whether you're brand new to the Temu app or just need a refresher, let's break it down step by step so you can be up and running in no time. First things first, you'll need to have the Temu app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to your device's app store and download it. Temu is available on both iOS and Android, so just search for Temu, click download, and you're all set. Once you've done that, launch the app to begin exploring its features. Now let's get to scanning a QR code. Open the Temu app. You'll typically find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap it and it'll take you to the app's home page. From here, you want to find the QR code scanner within the app. This is usually located in the search bar or within the main menu, clearly marked with a small icon of a QR code. It's designed to be intuitive, but don't worry if you can't find it right away. A bit of exploring will help you familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you've located the QR code scanner, tap on it to activate your phone's camera. You may need to grant permission for the app to access your camera if it's your first time using this feature. A prompt will appear, and you just have to click Allow. Your phone's camera will open and you'll see everything your camera sees through the screen. The app is now ready to scan any QR code. Hold your phone steady and point the camera at the QR code you want to scan. Try to keep the QR code within the confines of the scanning area, which you'll see on your screen. The scanner should automatically recognize the QR code almost instantly. When the app detects the code, it will vibrate or make a sound to indicate it's successfully scanned, and then it will proceed to execute the action associated with the QR code. This could be anything from opening a web page to downloading a specific file or even linking to an account. If the QR code doesn't scan instantly, make sure the code is well lit and clear for the camera to read. Sometimes a bit of glare or a tilted angle can cause scanning issues, so try to adjust the angle for a better focus. Once everything is aligned correctly, it should work seamlessly. Congratulations, you've just scanned a QR code using the Temu app. With this simple feature, you can effortlessly connect with a variety of services and access information quickly. Practice it a few times to get comfortable, and soon it'll become second nature. Enjoy exploring all the functionalities that come with the app, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your experience smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy scanning.